Namaskar students. Today we are going to know about the sample paper term 1 of your class 10th, and this is for session 20, 21 and 22. This is a blueprint I am going to describe you for maximum time. It will be 60 minutes. Maximum marks, it will hold 25 marks. And in part A, employability skills, you will find 5 mark questions. From communication skill, it will be there will be two questions, number of question. Self management, you will find 2 question. Information and technology, communication technology skills, 2 questions. The total 6 question will come in your paper. 1 mark each question will come. So number of question to be answered, you need to answer only 5 questions, and you will find 6 questions. So out of 6 you need to do only 5 questions. Now in the part B, subjective specific skills, it will be 20 mark questions you will find. And the digital documentation advanced, you will find 11 questions. Electronic spreadsheet, you will find 13 questions. Database management system, you will find 3 questions. So total number of questions you will find 27, and you need to do only 20 questions. So 7 questions are extra question. And now let's start with the general instructions. First of all, the paper will be divided into 3 sections, section A, B and C. In section A, there will be 5 mark questions. You need to attempt only 5 mark question. Question will be 6 question. In the part B, you will find 20 question, and it is of 15 marks questions. And the section C, 5 marks and has 7 competency based question you will find. So let's start with the section A. There you need to attend 5 question out of 6 question. And your first question is feedback is specific information in the form of written comments or verbal conversations that help the learner understand what she or he needs to do in order to improve. And options are descriptive, specific, general and sign. So descriptive feedback is a specific information in the form of written comments or verbal communication that help the learner to understand what she or he needs to do in order to improve. Now next question is communication is the use of body language, gesture and facial expression to convey information to others. So answer is non-verbal communication is used to body language, gestures and facial expression. Now come to the question number 3. Question is saying that Sonalika gets up 6 a.m. and goes for her hobby classes. Then she comes back home and finishes her homework. Before going to school, she does all the work by herself. No one tell her to do so. So what is this? This is called self motivation. This is called self motivation when you are doing your work without any order. Now come to the question number 4. High expectations from self can leave one with the chronic anxiety and stress. Thus the leading to stress. Which type of stress it will call? It will call mental stress. Now come to the question number 5. Operating system is a computing environment that react to input within a specific period of time. So we can say real-time operating system is a computing environment that react to input within a specific period of time. Now come to the question number 6. Identify the measures to protect computer from threat and viruses. So there are options: sharing password with the friend, allow anyone to use your device, use antivirus, and leave computer without logging. So you can understand very easily that antivirus is a measure to protect computer from threat and virus. Now come to the section B. In section B, we will find 20 question and we need to do only 15 questions. Question number 7, when you apply a group of formatting effects together in one single step. So which if option you will mark: effect, style, template, and format. So when you apply, and the correct answer is style. When you apply a style to apply a group of formatting effects together in one single step. Now question number 7, which functions cannot be performed through subtotal of a spreadsheet? So in subtotal, which type of function you cannot perform? And answer is percentage. You can do sum, product, average, but percentage option you cannot perform in subtotal. Question number 9, in a document, refer to a vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor point. So in a document, alignment refer to the vertical or horizontal placement of graphic to in a relation to chosen anchor point. So basically answer is here alignment. Now question number 10, is a model that you use to create other documents. So template is a model by which you can create other documents. Now question number 11 is a styled text document affect selected text within a paragraph such as font size of the text or a bold and italic format. And character is a style in a text document affects selected text within a paragraph such as font and style, size of the text, bold and italic format. Question number 12 is to repeat the graphic across the entire background. To repeat the graphic across the entire background area, we need to select options in word processor. And options are tile, position, stretch and area. So option A is right here. To repeat the graphic across the entire background, we need to select tile in word processor. Question number 13. Scenario are a tool to test questions. Scenarios are tool to test what if questions. Question number 14 is a particularly useful when creating a watermark when wrapping the image in a background in a document. Answer is transparency is a particularly useful when creating a watermark or when wrapping the image in a background in a document. Question number 15, it refers to a cell or a range of cells on a worksheet and can be used to find the values or data that you want to formula to calculate. So answer is cell reference is used to refer a cell or range of cells to on a worksheet or can be used to find the value or data that you want to formula or to calculate. Now question number 16, total or adds data arranged in an array that is group of cells with a label for columns or and or rows, which step one must should follow before using subtotal options. Question number 16 is said that answer you can say subtotal totals or add data arrange in array that is a group of cells with the labels of columns and or rows, which steps one must should follow before using the subtotal option. So basically we need to go with the subtotal. Question number 17. A hyperlink contains the full address of the destination file or web page, and answer will be absolute hyperlink contains the full address. Which of the following is more elaborate form of the goal seek? And answer is solver is used to more elaborate form of the goal seek. Question number 19 means combining data in a spreadsheet from a different worksheet into a master worksheet, and answer will be consolidating means combining data in a spreadsheet from the different worksheets. Question number 20. An link will stop working only if the target is moved, while a dash dash link will stop working only if the start and target location change relative to each other. And answer will be absolute. An absolute link will stop working only if the target is moved, while a relative link will stop working only if the start and target location changes relative to each other. Now question number 21. Database server are referred to as, and options are front end, back end, client and model, and answer is back end. Database server are referred to as backends, where you are storing your data of your front end given. And the table, a table is a set of data elements that is organized using a model of vertical and horizontal. So answer is columns and rows. A table is a set of data elements that are organized in a model of vertical columns and horizontal rows. Vertical columns, and these are columns and these are rows. Horizontal rows. Row number 1, row number 2, and we can make row filled, or you can say column number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now question number 23. Dash dash include font, alignment, border, background, number, formats, for example, currency, date, number, and cell protection in a document. And options are cell style, numbering style, paragraph style, character style. And answer is cell style include font, alignment, borders, background, number format, and cell protection in a document. Question number 24. By default, sheets tab are present at the of the spreadsheet, and options are top, bottom, center and right, and correct option is bottom. By default, sheets tabs are present at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Question number 25. A cell reference is a spreadsheet of cell range B2 to B15 is. So if you are referring a range, if you are talking about the range, answer will be B2 colon B15. It will create a range. Now question number 26 controls how graphics are stacked upon each other or relative to the text, and answer will be arrangement controls how graphics are stacked upon each other or relative to the text. Now section C, competency based questions, and we need to we will give you will find 6 questions, and out of 6 you need to do only 5 questions. Here question number 27 is asking that Millennium University is organizing a reunion meet for their alumni student, and for this purpose university want to send the invite to all these students with their different address. Each which feature of word processor university should use accomplish the task, and an option is A, mail merge we will use to send a message same message to multiple peoples. Question number 28 is asking that Prisha is a book editor and she want to change the indentation of all paragraph and change the font of all titles in the book. Which feature she should use to make the task easy? And option is A is right here, style feature she should use. Now question number 29, Gaurav has inserted an image in a document and he want to remove unwanted area of the image. So which option of the word processor he will use to complete the task? And this is a option crop option you need to use to crop your image. Question number 30. Hema is a chartered accountant and she used to maintain the account in a spreadsheet on everyday basis. There are number of steps which she needs to follow every time. Can you suggest her few features of spreadsheets through which she can perform these tasks quickly without repeating steps every time? So if you are using same steps every time, then you need to go for macro. To the question number 31, Raj has created a worksheet where he has added all the information of his employees. So he want every employee to go through the worksheet and update their address and phone number if required. He also would like to know the changes done by his employees and which features of the spreadsheet he should enable to see the changes made by his employees. And answer will be D, track changes. 32 question is saying that Akshat want to store a huge amount information about his firm in a database. Which type of the table organization would be most suitable for this purpose? So if he want to store huge amount of information in his database, then he should use either relational or flat file. Question number 33. Sunita is making a project in a spreadsheet and her friend has told her how to rename a spreadsheet as it will help her identify the spreadsheet data easily. So she is making a project in a spreadsheet and her friend has told her how to rename a spreadsheet. So she was very excited and told the same for to her brother also, and her brother told her that in the spreadsheet office open office a worksheet can be renamed using how many ways? And answer is three ways. By three ways you can rename your worksheet. So these are some questions we have done, and this is your CBSE 2021-22 sample paper. I hope it will be very useful to you. All the best for your exam term 1.